Preschool Time with Kristi. I'm Kristi, and I'm so glad to see you here today. Today, we're gonna be making a super cool craft. Are you ready? Do you see it? Can you tell me what it is? That's right, it's a snail. And we're gonna make another one. Are you ready? Look at them, aren't they so cute? I'm so excited to do these with you today. You ready? Here we go. The inspiration for the snails came from This and That with Olivia, and the link will be in the description below. Here's what you'll need today. We've got 2 different size paper plates. We've got paper. I would definitely recommend having white paper because we're going to be making eyes. We've got a pipe cleaner, we've got a baking pan and a liner. Number 1, so that way glue doesn't get on the baking pan, and number 2, easy cleanup. We've got sprinkles, we've got sequins, a Sharpie marker, a pair of scissors, glue, and tape. Now we're ready to get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the snail head out of the colored paper, and then we're gonna make the eyes with the white paper and the black marker. Here we go. Next up, we're gonna take the pipe cleaner and we're gonna cut it, and then we're gonna tape the eyes onto the pipe cleaner and then tape the pipe cleaner onto the head. Here we go. Now that we have our heads completed, we're gonna go ahead and glue them or tape them to our paper plates. Now that the body of our snail is complete, we're gonna go ahead and start decorating them. I hope you all enjoyed making your snails today. We'll see you next time.